Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, isn't it? First of all, take out your English textbook, page number 9. Phonic sound drill E. What, children? Phonic sound drill E. Already we have completed sound of N, et, ed and egg sound words, isn't it? We have learnt all these spellings. Today we are going to learn a new topic. For that you have to open the page number 10. What is the page number, children? 10. Okay. Word formation. Word formation. Write today's date here and CW here. Okay. What is the sound of L? E-L. L. What is the sound of E-L? L. See what is the picture here? Can you identify the picture, children, here? Bell. What? Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. B-L-L. Here L-L is a long sound. Double L is coming. You have to stress on the L letter. Okay. B-L-L. Bell. What is the spelling here? B-E-L-L. Bell. Same way, children. What is the picture here? Well. Here two double L's are here. So you have to stress on L letter. V-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. Well. Next. The boy felt. Fell. F-L-L. Fell. F-L-L. Fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. Now sound of M. E-M. M. J-M. Jam. G-E-M. Jam. Here. 4-letter formation, children, in this. What is the picture here? Stem. We have learnt in science class, isn't it? Stem. S-T-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Stem. See, I am adding two letters here. Stem. Stem. S-T. Stem. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay. Next. What is the picture here? Hem. H-M. Hem. H-E-M. Hem. Okay. H-E-M. Hem. Sound of ebb. E-B. Ebb. Sound of ebb. What is the picture here? Web. W. W. Ebb. Web. W-E-B. Web. W. Ebb. Web. W-E-B. Web. Next. Neb. No. Ebb. Neb. Neb means the nose part of a bird. No. Ebb. Neb. N-E-B. Neb. Next. Here also 4-letter words, children. You have to listen carefully. Okay. B-L. Ebb. Blub. B-L. B-L. Blub. Isn't it? B-L. Blub. Ebb. E-B. Ebb. Blub. Ebb. Blub. B-L-E-B. Blub. B-L-E-B. Blub means bubble. What, children? Bubble. Okay. B-L-E-B. Blub. B-L-E-B. Blub. Now I will send you the worksheet on these letters, children, on these words. Okay. Write neatly with a darker pencil in your 4-rule book. Okay, children. Bye-bye.